perspiration, urination, respiration. It's amazing how much our body loses water in just a day. Just by sweating, by urinating, or simply breathing. But apart from just replenishing the water lost and quenching our thirst, exactly how necessary is water to the human body? The more active you are, the more water you need. This is because the more you sweat, the more water and minerals you lose. Water cools the body and prevents it from becoming dehydrated. If the human body is 70% water, it follows that our body functions best and at its optimum if it's fully hydrated. Every vital muscle and organ of our body get their needed nutrients with water as the carrier. Oxygen, which is the most vital of these nutrients, is carried through our bloodstream. Bloodstream is, of course, primarily made up of water. No water in the body means no way for humans to think or even breathe. It's no wonder that man can live for weeks without food, but can only survive for days without water. Imagine not being able to excrete food or toxins out of your body. The human body would be a living, walking sewer or trash dump. Thanks to water, we are able to detox or clean our body from wastes on a regular basis. When we say that 2/3 of the human body consists of water, we are also saying that the main component of our tissues and organs is water as well. Lack of water in any of these vital organs will result in a major body illness or even death. It is clear that we need to regularly refill and replenish the loss of water from our body. But only 20% of the water we need is obtained from our food. The rest of the 80% is taken from the water or liquids we drink. The question is, how safe is the water we put in our body? For some, soft drink is the same as water. But while the main ingredient of carbonated drinks is water, it also contains significant amounts of sugar, calories, and harmful additives that have no nutritional value to the body. In fact, studies have linked soft drinks to osteoporosis, tooth decay, obesity, diabetes, and even heart disease. What's alarming about today's generation is the steady rise of soft drink consumption globally. Despite the clear ill effects of soft drinks to the body, most people still drink it by the gallons. No less than 7 states in India have already banned the sale of Pepsi, Coke, Sprite, and other soft drink brands, citing the presence of toxic chemicals. It is clear that there is no substitute for pure and safe water. Before 1991, access to affordable yet safe drinking water seems out of reach. But with the use of pioneering and state-of-the-art technology from the US, Nature Spring became the answer to many Filipinos who need clean, affordable water on the go. Safe drinking water today is no longer an inaccessible commodity, within reach only to the wealthy and privileged. Over 20 years, Nature Spring has dedicated to making quality, safe drinking water accessible to every Filipino. This is their commitment to you. How about your commitment to your body? Starting today, make a pledge to make your body happy. Don't worry your body to the ground. Make it healthy. Give it water. and only safe water. Starting today, wise up, water up.